Good Friday! Have you ever ordered a pan that you already own because there was something wrong with the pan you already own? This is a Sanko Ware 9.5-inch pan. I already own one. Except the first one arrived with a scratch in it. This has bugged me since day one. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nick in the finish there. So I've used this pan very infrequently because I didn't want that nick to get worse. Actually, there's another nick too. This is rustable steel underneath, and it's always been upsetting. And every once in a while, I look at these on eBay, and usually they want too much money. This was pretty cheap. It was $24.99 shipped, and the shipping sticker was $11. So I got that for $14, $15. Not bad. I am praying that it's not damaged. I asked the seller to wrap the handle in paper towels. Word of warning, if you buy any of these new on eBay, ask them to wrap the handle in paper towels because inside the box, the handle is usually loose. Ooh. And there's no tape on the sides here. That's okay, I guess. Do that, ask them to wrap the handle in a paper towel because otherwise it bounces around. It can damage the porcelain enamel. This box smells like perfume, heavy perfume. Oh, no packing. No packing! Why don't they put packing in there? Alright, oh, it smells. It smells! I'm excited and I'm worried. I'm excited and I'm worried. Oh, there's a booklet. Okay, so he did. Very good. Because the handle comes with screws and it's wrapped in old plastic and it'll bounce around in here. Don't see any scratches yet. I gotta take a peek. Gotta take a peek. There's usually a little bit of dust. Oh, I think it's okay. There's some little nubbins that are coming off with my thumb. Alright, we're gonna have to wash it. I just love the pattern. I love the pattern. Let's take a look at the handle. This. Sharp edges. It can bounce around and damage your pan. Okay? Trust me. I've been there, done that. This usually has really old tape, like 1980s tape, and you've got to use like acetone or something to get it off. I think I used WD-40 because I'm afraid the acetone will hurt this. But this is Bakelite handle, and you've got very, very simple. This just fits on there. Very simple. Can't get more simple than that. And into the handle. Okay. Let me get the ancient residue off this handle. We'll attach it. I'll be back. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let's do 1982. 1982. These are beautiful. They really are beautiful. I have a bag of all my cookware booklets. Alright. That looks the same. Okay, see? Show pans. That's an older manual. Alright, important information. For a lifetime of perfect use, just follow these simple rules. For best results, temper your pots. Fill with tepid water, bring to a slow boil over a low heat, and I'm guessing that's for first use. Never put empty pots on hot stoves. Never allow a pot to boil dry. Pretty sure this is older than this one. Okay, enough talking. Here's my pan, my 9-inch pan. Very pretty. Let's make some scrambled eggs tomorrow morning. We are using ghee this morning.